everybody. Mike here at Wilton Auto and Tire Center. Question we get asked a lot is, why is my car overheating? And I wish I could just answer that question over the phone and tell you, and you can go outside and turn a little widget and it would be all better, but that's not the case. So there's a lot of reasons, right? The first is your cooling system itself being full of coolant, right? Some people call it antifreeze, some people call it coolant, okay? So it's actually coolant that doesn't freeze, that's why people call it antifreeze, right? A little technical information there. Needs to be full, we can't have any leaks. If it's full and it doesn't have any leaks, then we start the car and we cycle it to make sure that the coolant is actually flowing like it's supposed to. The water pump is turning, the thermostat opens at the right time, and then the next step would be to make sure that the cooling fan, right? All cars have electric cooling fans today. Back when I was a kid, everything was mechanical, right? And now it's electrical. So there's relays and switches and motors and all kinds of stuff that's involved. But those are the three big areas that we find when somebody says my car is overheating. So word to the wise, red light will come on the dash, says I'm hot, right? Or that temperature gauge will spike. Stop the car, pull over safely, obviously, get the car towed. It's not worth blowing a head gasket or causing a lot more damage to the engine, okay? So safety first, but let's get it checked out. And one of the first signs actually is when that low coolant light comes on. Typically when you first start the car in the morning is the first time you're gonna get a warning that maybe something's wrong with your cooling system, okay? So anyway, subscribe, like our page, ask any comments you might have, leave questions, and we will do our best to answer.